Conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss another new topic in Unit 2. In Unit 2 is data expressions and statements. Okay, here the first topic we are going to discuss is the various modes of Python operation. Okay, the Python operates in two modes. One is interpreter mode and another one is interactive mode. Whatever I am highlighting, you please have a look on it. Okay, Python operates on two mode. One is interpreter mode and another one is interactive mode. Okay, interactive mode. So first of all, we should understand the difference between interpreter mode and interactive mode. In interpreter mode, what is interpreter mode? I will show you a demo of difference between interpreter mode and interactive mode. For that, I'm opening my IDLE. Okay, first I'm opening my IDLE. IDLE is software where I'm going to work with Python. Okay, first after opening IDLE, so I am showing the difference between interpreter mode and interactive mode. First, I will show what is interactive mode. So in interactive mode, so whatever I type, it will give the result immediately. Okay, whatever I type, it will give the result immediately. Okay, see the example. See the example. Some error. See the example. See the example. Whatever I type, whatever I type, it is giving the result in immediate manner. Okay, for example, a equal to 6. Type of type of a type of a type of a is nothing but integer type. Okay, so this is interactive mode. Interactive mode means it is interacting with the user immediately by giving the outputs. Okay, that is interactive mode. Next one is we are going to see interpreter mode. How to open interpreter mode? You can open interpreter mode by clicking file, new file. Okay, file, new file. Here what you are going to do, here you are going to type the set of lines of code. A equal to 5, b equal to 6, c equal to a plus b. You are going to type the set of lines of code. Okay, and then you are going to save this program as add. Save this program as add. To see the output, you have to click F5. When you click F5, you are getting the output of the result, which is 5 plus 6 gives 11. So this is interpreter mode. Another drawback in interactive mode is whatever code you type, you cannot retype the code. You cannot erase and retype the code. But in interpreter mode, you can erase and retype the code. This is the difference between interactive mode and interpreter mode. Okay, see here, your output is getting changed. So coming to the slide. Okay, we'll see the slide now. Okay, so what a slideshow from current slide. I'm going to slideshow from current slide. Okay, so see the difference. The Python interpreter mode is a mode where scripted and finished py file. We have seen already scripted and finished py files. Py, what is py? Py is nothing but the file which is having an extension of Python run in Python interpreter. Next one is interactive mode. Next one is interactive mode. Interactive mode is a command shell, which is nothing but where we type the code, we will get the immediate feedback. We'll get the immediate feedback for each and every statement. We'll get the immediate feedback for each and every statements. As new lines are fed into interpreter, the fed program is evaluated both and part in whole. Okay, this is the difference between interpreter and interactive mode. Okay, so when you open this Python shell, you have first three lines, line 1, line 2, line 3. First three lines, in first line you have version number, what version of Python you are using. So you are using 3.6.0. So 3.6.0, the version is 3. Okay, then in this line, in second line, Win32. Win32 is nothing but you're using Windows operating system 32-bit. Okay, 32-bit Windows operating system. In third line is nothing but you have this prompt. What is this prompt? This prompt is ready to get the code from the user, and it will display the result to the user. Okay, this is the thing I need to tell. Then interactive mode, so that is interactive mode. Interactive mode, you will type the code and you will get the immediate feedback for each and every statement. Whereas in interpreter mode, you will open a Python file, and you will type the code. Next, debugging. As I told already, debugging is nothing but finding mistakes in your program. Okay, finding mistakes in your program, which can be categorized into three types. One is syntax type of errors. Next one is logical type of errors, and third one is runtime errors. Let us discuss one by one. Syntax errors is nothing but errors which are made in your program um, by defining wrong syntax. Okay, by defining wrong syntax. For example, I will show you an example. I will show you an example. For example, I'm opening here. Okay, I'm writing an if statement a equal to 1. If a equal to 1, if a equal to 1, a equal to 1, print equal eq eq u a l equal. Okay, I'm also running this code. Yeah, I'm typing this code. See here, it is telling that expected colon. Okay, it is telling that expected colon, which means that this is syntax error. Here, colon is needed. I'm missing that colon. Here, colon is needed. I'm missing that colon. So it is throwing an error. So this is called syntax error. So you're getting error equal. Okay, you're getting error. Sorry, you're getting the output as equal. Okay, syntax error is nothing but the mistakes that you made in a program. Next type is logical error. For this also, I will show you an example. A equal to 1, B equal to 2. C equal to, instead of A plus B, I am giving A minus B. I want the addition of two numbers, but I am subtracting two numbers. So the output is minus 1. This is also wrong. For that, for addition, I need to change the symbol. Okay, for addition, I need to change the symbol. So I am getting the output as 3. Okay, I think you understood in clear manner. That is logical error. Third one is runtime error. These runtime errors are occurred during by handling the exceptions. For example, for this runtime error, I will put you the code. A equal to, so I'm getting input from the user. A equal to int input of, I'm getting the first number from the user. B equal to int input of, I'm getting second number from the user. Okay, C equal to A divided by B, print C. Yes, now I'm running the code. I'm dividing two numbers. Just I'm running the code by pressing F5. I'm dividing two numbers. I'm dividing two numbers. For A, I'm giving 5. For B, I'm giving 2. I'm getting 2.5. Again, I'm running this code. For A, I'm giving 5. For B, I'm giving 0. So, yeah, I'm getting an error. So, this error is called as runtime error. This error is called as runtime error because this error is occurring at runtime. What is the name of this error? This displayed here. That is zero division error, which is divide by zero. What this output is telling that you cannot divide a number by zero. That's not possible. That's not allowed in Python. So that this error is coming. That is called zero division error. This types of error is called runtime. Runtime error is nothing but when user gives wrong input, these errors occur during the execution of the program. This is called runtime error. Okay, that's it. You understand these two things. One is Python interpreter mode and interactive mode, and runtime error. We will continue the remaining in the next session. Thank you.